Okay, this Module 4.2 project, choosing a learning management system, will take a look at a already adopted LMS within the juvenile court and community schools programs here at the San Diego County Office of Education. We'll take a look at the features that the teachers, students, and parents, administrators are using, as well as the evaluation process that was involved, and also talking about an educator from the district and their insights regarding the LMS. So within the program we're looking at here is the Haiku learning management system. I wanted to show you one of the pages that we've created in order to create the PD components that we're looking at within JCCS. And you can see here that we've developed pages within Haiku, obviously calendar and the other features that are available as we're familiar with in this course about using the process. But in here we are able to put in some of our PD technology updates and so on, and Haiku resources to kind of show people where to find information on their own. And we use this as a communication tool for parents, for teachers, and to keep people updated, staff within JCCS, about what's happening. So alignment here with the Common Core standards, how many staff have gone through the training, the rollouts of our Chromebooks into the process, integrating with the LMS, and so forth. You can see that we've used various functions here of creating separate pages and drop-down areas, blocks, text here to be able to put in our agendas, to track what's happening that day, to go through these slides of welcome, looking at the big picture, integrating the technology, what are the outcomes we're looking for, sharing 21st century skills, looking at pedagogy, and so on. So there's quite a bit that can be used within the learning management system, obviously, to share all kinds of information with staff and PD, but it doesn't need to be just for teachers. It can be for cohort groups of parents, for support staff, or students also. Obviously, we're going to be integrating this with our students within JCCS, and a lot of them are already taking online courses that the teachers are developing. We've got online discussion boards that can be generated much like we use here in our online class for leadership. We've got links to the Google Apps for education to help people with creating their own resources to find information for themselves for self-support or on-demand professional development of how do you do these things, or I'm a little bit lost, how do I get that help about our tools and so on. So there's quite a bit that we can point our staff to for self-help, which I think is very positive aspect of using a learning management system, is to let it do all kinds of different processes and as we are engaging this information. So the requirements matrix and documents that were looked at as we went through is to take a look at the type of media, the interactivity, the administrative capabilities, the editing by non-technical staff, the file formats, etc., standards, and so on. So quite a bit of this went through. Also, the budget consideration was a key factor. How responsive the learning management system was to updates or changes and we found with Haiku it's been very positive. Our teachers have all gone through LEC training and staff development, not all the teachers, but we're working towards that goal. About 65% I think are in there now. So we're looking at support staff also coming through. The students are feeling more comfortable with using the tool, and we're feeling very positive about our approach. So we know from the resources within our textbook for this module, we're looking at a lot of different factors about buying versus building, how to choose an LMS, and accessibility, those types of things. And working with leaders in JCCS, I've interviewed and obviously worked very closely with Drs. Callahan and Dr. Villarreal. Dr. Callahan is the assessment coordinator, director actually, and Dr. Villarreal is the district principal lead. And so those two have already taken LEC courses and are familiar with Haiku, enjoy the process. I've mastered their own world of working with the LMS themselves and are very positive about integrating this throughout our system, and are fully supportive of all staff within JCCS participating in this, not just the teachers, but the administrators and the support staff as well. So the use of Haiku has been a very successful model for us, and we're very thankful that we're progressing and getting more and more students involved in using the tool every day.